Black hole facts. If you fell into black hole, theory has long suggested that gravity would stretch you out like a spaghetti. Through your death would come before you reach the singularity. But a 2012 study published in the journal Nature suggested that quantum effects would cause the event horizon to act much like a wall of wire, which would instantly burn you to death. Black holes don't suck. Suction is caused by something into a vacuum, which the massive black hole definitely is not. Instead, objects fall into them just as they fall toward anything that exerts gravity, like the Earth. If a star passes too close to a black hole, the star can be torn apart. Astronomers estimate that the Milky Way has anywhere from 10 million to 1 billion stellar black holes, with masses roughly 3 times that of the Sun. In May 2022, scientists revealed the historic first image of supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star. According to the Space Telescope Science Institute, approximately 1 out of every 1,000 stars is massive enough to become a black hole. Since the Milky Way contains over 100 billion stars, our home galaxy must harbor some 100 million black holes. Actually, a black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, including light and other electromagnetic waves, is capable of possessing enough energy to escape it. A black hole has a great effect on the fate and circumstances of an object crossing it, but it has no locally detectable features, according to general relativity. So, black hole is a place in a space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. There are likely millions of black holes in our galaxy and we will probably never know where they are. If you fell into a black hole, you would never escape. If you fell into a stellar-sized black hole, you could turn into human spaghetti. A black hole could fit in your pocket. Bet you didn't know. It is impossible for most people to lick their own elbow in a black hole. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. A ship's heart is in its head. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. Black holes are truly invisible. We cannot actually see black holes because they don't reflect light. Scientists know they exist by observing light and objects around black holes. Strange things happen around black holes to do with quantum physics and space-time. This makes them a popular subject of science fiction stories even though they are real. The Milky Way could contain over 100 million black holes, so detecting this glutinous beast is very difficult. Who discovered black holes? Black holes were predicted as an exact mathematical solution to Einstein's equation. Einstein's equation described the shape of space around matter. The theory of general relativity connects the geometry or shape to the detailed distribution of matter. Black holes have 3 layers: the outer and inner event horizon, and the singularity. The event horizon of a black hole is the boundary around the mouth of black hole, past which light cannot escape. Once a particle crosses the event horizon, it cannot leave. Gravity is constant across the event horizon. The inner region of black hole, where the object's mass lies, is known as its singularity, the single point in space-time where the mass of black hole is concentrated. Scientists cannot see black holes the way they can see stars and other objects in space. Instead, astronomers must rely on detecting the radiation black holes emit as dust and gas are drawn into the dense creatures. But supermassive black holes lying in the center of galaxy may become shrouded by thick dust and gas around them.